Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia. So welcome back. So for today's video, I kind of wanted to update you guys on my everyday glam and also for the looks that I do when I go out and stuff like that. This look consists of no lashes, no extreme eyeshadow. It's more like skin based. I really wanted to focus this look on skin and also like pair it up with a good nude combo. So if you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. So for the skin, I brought the OG back, Ole Henriksen brightening cream. I used this in my first video too. This is a thicker formula, which I love. It still has that gel consistency, which I like. So we're just gonna apply this all over the skin. I'm gonna be using the Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for the eyes. I like it. I think it's very moisturizing. It feels so good. And it doesn't irritate my eyes. Some eye creams tend to like irritate my eyes and like make them red. So I like that. And it's very creamy. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera because I find that super boring. Let me go ahead and just cut my hair back because I really don't want my hair to be in my face. I'm gonna jump into the eyes, and a palette that I've been freaking loving so much is the KKW X Mario palette. I used this in my look for that house video. I love the shade range from this palette, just so cute. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be using Don't Move. So not a lot, just a little bit, just to create like a little, you know, a little look. But I don't really put a lot of eyeshadow. Right. Sometimes if I want to, I go ahead and use Glam King. We can go ahead and put a little bit. So next up, we're gonna be using the shade So Many Paparazzi, which is like this bone kind of color. And I'm just gonna apply that on my lid. Go ahead and apply that to the eye. Next up, I'm gonna be using this foundation, which I've been freaking loving so much. And I'm so glad that I've been using it again because I have used it in the past, but for some reason it was just one of the products that I got tired of and wanted to try out new things, and it's the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation 2-in-1. This foundation is so bomb. It's long wear, it's water resistant, it's medium to full coverage, but to me honestly it looks like full coverage because I only need like one pump. It's lightweight, it's oil free. I really like how it sets on the skin. It doesn't oxidize, it makes you look funny. It doesn't cake up. Like, it just looks so freaking nice, guys. I usually use like about like, let's use 2 pumps. My skin, guys, oh my god. I really need to visit an esthetician because like I don't have like massive breakouts, but like I feel like my media has really been getting worse, and that shit is so stubborn to come off. Like the only way you can take it off is like with a needle, and it's like a massive extraction. And I can't do it by myself because it's so painful to do it by myself. So I really need to visit an esthetician once all this coronavirus stuff is like done. I'm gonna go to an esthetician and like take care of my skin because I already do my part, but I feel like I need someone who's professional to like look at my skin and like perform some extractions that I feel like I have. I'm gonna take this brush. It's by Morphe. It's the M439. I'm just gonna buff this foundation. I feel like this foundation looks so much more prettier when I use a brush rather than a beauty blender. I'm so over beauty blenders. Next up, I use 2 concealers, which are my favorite concealers in the moment, which is the Sephora Collection concealer in the shade Caramel, and then of course, an oldie goodie, which is my NARS caramel as well. Oh my god, I just noticed. So what I like to do is I apply the NARS one under, just a little bit. This will do. And then I go ahead and apply on the other side. Now we're gonna go ahead with the Sephora Collection one. And I just like to put this one on top. This one is a little bit more like watery, creamier. Another thing I've been doing is like trying to sharpen up my look with my concealer. The trick that I've been loving, guys, so much is to let your concealer dry down a little bit before actually blending it out. It creates like this like fuller coverage, which I've been loving. So I like fan it out a little bit, let it get tacky, and then blend it out. So I really love these sponges. They're by Luxie. So they have one to bake, one to contour, and one for details. So the smaller one, this is the one that it's for baking. I really love it. So I use the dry one for baking, and then I use the wet one for blending my concealer out. And these sponges feel like the Real Technique sponges. They feel so good. They get so big. It has like a flat side. Perfect for everything, honestly. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. Now we're gonna go ahead and bake, and a powder I've been loving at the moment is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder by Ciate London. I think that's how you pronounce it, but this is what the packaging looks like. It smells so good, guys. It reminds me like of the tropics and stuff. This powder, it makes my skin look so nice. It gives me that good contour. So we're just gonna go ahead and just set my concealer. The only thing is that this powder is so messy. Like, we're gonna go ahead and bronze up the face. So two bronzers that I've been using for contour will be the Sephora Compact. This is like a foundation powder in the color Mocha. And I also use the NARS Conceal a bronzer as well. So for today, I'm gonna use the bronzer instead. I kind of use both of them, whatever I'm in the mood for. We're just gonna chisel up the cheeks a little bit. For nose contour, I'm gonna be using the Hoola mini bronzer, and I'm just gonna be taking a flat like fluffy brush. This is by Luxie, and this is a 209 large shader, and we're just gonna go ahead and contour the nose while the nose is baking as well. Now let's go ahead and wipe down this powder. I'm gonna be using the Morphe M553, and we're just gonna go ahead and wipe off this powder. Guys, this powder smells so good. Like, oh my god, I cannot. Oh, for the cheeks, I'm gonna be using the KKW X Mario Collection, and this is in Very Graceful. I love this blush. It's so pink, it's so cute, it blends so nicely, so effortlessly. If I can open it. Oh my gosh, guys, by the time this quarantine stuff is over, like my nails are like to do like now, and like I need to fill it. Actually, I need a whole new set. Yeah, just apply that very high in the cheeks. I've really been loving the look of a high blush. So next up, we're gonna move on to the lashes. I'm gonna be curling my lashes. For my everyday look, I do not wear lashes. I kind of want to get lash extensions because, like, I don't know, I never really like strip lashes for some reason. I like them on other people, but not on myself. Like, I just don't know. I've been liking this base. It's by Lancome. This is a sample size. This is a base for mascara. It applies on white and then it goes on clear. I've really been loving this. It makes my eyelashes look bomb as F. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply that. My favorite mascara at the moment is by Petite'n Pretty Fully Feathered Volume Mascara. Oh my god, this mascara makes your eyelashes look so beautiful, and I'm about to show you guys how nice these look. Go ahead. Alright guys, look at my lashes. So bomb. Next up for the lips, I'm going to be using a combo at the moment, which is by the KKW X Mario Collection. I'm going to be using the lip liner, which is in the shade Beauty Icon. And this is like the perfect nude for all my morenitas out there. Next up for lipstick, we're gonna be using He's a Mixer by the KKW X Mario Collection again, and we're just gonna be applying that to the center of our lips. Next up, we're gonna be using this lip gloss. It's Proud of You. We're just gonna apply that on top. Alright guys, so that is it for my everyday makeup look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you learned some new techniques from me. So I didn't set my face with setting spray because lately I haven't been liking the look that setting sprays give me. So I've been staying away from setting spray, honestly. The most important part is for you to bake your face and use products that are long wearing if you're gonna have a really long day. But I haven't been liking setting sprays, so I haven't been setting my face at all. I just like the look that it gives me on my skin. So no setting spray. This is all I do whenever I want to quick pick me up and I want to look cute. If I'm going somewhere and I don't want to do the extra glam and put on severe eyeshadow and stuff like that, this is like my go-to look for every day, and also like going out for a quick little event, date night. This is what I do. And I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below any looks you want me to do, any videos you guys want me to post. So see you in the next one, guys.